pre-compute the binary that we're creating at runtime, we have to have some way of resolving components at build time. So we build almost like a bridging technology that when we discover like an invocation to a component, what we do is we replace the call site with a number, which we call a handle. And at runtime, what you're responsible for is basically replacing that handle with a live JavaScript object. So this is similar to how things like, I think in scripting work this way when you're, the first versions of like ASM, where we're gonna like create this, which became WebAssembly, but you have to have some way of talking about invoking things that are actual JavaScript objects versus binary, reference inside of binary code. So we did that, and we're able to reduce the template size further because now your programs don't get compiled into JavaScript, they don't get compiled into JSON, they actually get compiled into an array buffer. And the reason why we felt like this was where we wanted to go is one of the things that a lot of the folks at Google have been talking about over the past couple of years in terms of like JavaScript performance or getting